Meaning of hinterland.
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 Hinterland. Hinterland refers to a remote or less developed area located beyond the coastal or urban centers. It is a geographical term that signifies the inland territory and often used in relation to regions that are sparsely populated and lack access to main transport links. The hinterland is notable for its raw natural beauty, tamed wilderness, and unique cultural heritage. It is an area that offers great potential for adventure tourism, ecotourism, and outdoor recreation. Those who seek solitude, escape from the bustle of city life, and immersion in nature will find the hinterland an ideal destination.